If you're looking to work on the outer ring road in Bengaluru, then Bellandur may be one area which is on your shortlist. Once a suburb famous for having the Bellandur Lake, today it is a hub of IT companies and a booming residential zone. Lakshmi Sivadas reports on the development hits and misses of Bellandur.
Pushpakumar is an IT employee working in Whitefield who has made an unusual choice while picking his home. He had the entire pick of the outer ring road as well as Whitefield itself closer to his office. But instead, this 40-year-old chose a home in Bellandur. He says it's the one place that will help him easily access all parts of the IT corridor.
For me, reaching office is more important, on time is more important. So that's the reason why I chose to look for Bellandur, because this is an area which is more open and which is more growing. Over the last 8 years, I have been observing this. This has taken a big boom.
Located on the outer ring road, Bellandur is considered a nodal point to access Whitefield and Silk Boat that lie at opposite ends, in addition to connecting to Marthahalli and the Old Airport Road. The region's home buyers are primarily IT employees who work in and around the outer ring road IT corridor. Prices for homes in Bellandur start at about 5,000 rupees a square foot, and developers say that it is this relative affordability to other regions in the outer ring road that is bringing in home buyers' attention.
This was the only area left where you have, in my view, more than 10,000 people living now. It's a good number, and these people are all white-collared employees. 80% of them, they work for the IT companies, and for them it's a value for money because the distance to their work and for their families and children distance to their destinations, both works well.
Top developers who have launched projects in this region include Shobha Limited, Nitesh Estates and the Oceanus Group. However, despite the affordability, Bellandur does have its shortcomings, primarily by being part of the infrastructure nightmare on the outer ring road that currently plays host to over 4.5 lakh vehicles every day.
Metro would have eased the access there, considering that 65% of your commercial office space growth is on Sarjapur outer ring road. People would have that vision, thinking that it would improve, and once it's improved, prices would appreciate. So if they have that, they would. But in my opinion, in Bellandur, in and around that region, I don't see that scope at all.
Apart from the growing congestion in the region, polluted lake bodies here are also another major concern for residents in Bellandur. Developers say that Bellandur's growing traffic and pollution concerns will act as a deterrent for growth unless it is resolved soon. From Bengaluru, with camera person Alphonse, Lakshmi Sivadas for NDTV.